Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add sounds from your device in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the edit menu where we have our projects. From here we just tap on the one that we want to work on. Then tap on audio. And then on extract in the bottom row. Now the app is going to ask for a permission to access our music and audio files, and we can just proceed by tapping on allow, and then we can browse our music that we have on our phone and select from that one that we want to add to the project. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.